Alright, YouTubers, last fan for today. It's getting dark, that's going to clear up a little bit better. There we go. Is this Oddball 36-inch original. Don't know about this one. Has the older motor, older faceplate with no vents. I believe the switch housing is plastic, has wood blades through the upper canopy is plastic, and has cloth wiring. The tag is no longer there. Originally I had a light kit on. The light kit was kind of falling apart, so I took it off and I didn't want to risk anything zapping anywhere on me. So here she is. She really needs a good cleaning. I have not cleaned this one yet. This is running as is. I put oil in it. But you can hear the bearing sounds gritty. So I'm probably going to take this one apart. I might do a video of it taking it apart to show you how you do this actually. I know some people are interested in how to do this. So let's go ahead and turn this guy and look. Pretty good motor speed. I did take the motor faceplate off, take a look in the motor. The motor does look like it's fine. Actually, it looks like it's super clean in there. It's kind of odd. Low speed. It's going good high. Off again. High. Speed chain on this fan is an off, low, off, high. If I keep this fan, I'll probably replace the full chain to a off, low, high. There's a little bit of a hum from this one, but 36-inch fans hum a lot. Excuse me. Grab you. Alright. There's a hum. Little motor. Overall, though, I probably will keep these blades on her. I do have an extra set of adapter ground blades. If I do keep this on, I'm going to throw them on there. Make it look like a really cool vintage 36-inch original. But as you can tell, there's lots of air. That Blake faceplate is really cool. So I'm probably going to keep this one just because of the wow factor to it. I know, I haven't decided. This might be an eBay. But if it goes on eBay, I'm expecting a lot. I'm hoping a lot. I haven't decided yet. Yeah, I need to put the charger in. Get it all centered. Alright, let's go and do spin down. Excuse me while I turn out. Spin downs are not bad. Once again, it needs to be cleaned out. So I'll probably end up cleaning this guy, and I probably will keep it. Especially when I give it some adapter blades, it'll look really sweet. So this might be one of those I keep. It's cool. As you can see, spin down is pretty fast on this guy. It gives you the idea how gunked up that oil cut must be. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll be doing more videos tomorrow.